All right, today we're going to look at how to export patient's information into Excel using the print grid option in Medisoft. So this option is only available in the Advanced and Net Pro versions of Medisoft. Basic is not included. So you will need one of those two versions, Advanced or Net Pro, to do this. So what we'll do is we will open up our patient list here. We can go to Lists, Patient Guarantors and Cases, open that up. And we will go over here to the left side and we will right click on any blank space or empty space. You can click on the side here if you need to and click on the print grid option. This will bring up some criteria that is used to export that data. So if you want to add to this data, you can, or remove fields, you can do that as well. You can add fields like date created or contact name or city or email or zip code. If need be. So you add those criteria that you're looking for into that. You click OK. And we want to select the radio button of export data to a CSV file. Now we will click Start. We'll pull up a dialog box for us to save that file. We'll just input patient info. And it will save it as a comma delimited file or CSV. Save that. And we'll go into our documents here. Pull this open here. And there's our patient info. We can now open this up with Excel. And there's our patient information that we've exported to an Excel file. And then we can go ahead and use that if we need to move it to a different application. We can do that as well, or if we need to extrapolate that data to use for mailing or whatnot, we can do that as well. So that's how we export that data using that print grid option in Medisoft.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.